Okay, so now let's look at our analytics account, and the first thing we're going to have to do is link our analytics account to our AdSense account. So we're going to have to head over into the admin, and what I recommend you do before we do the AdSense linking is set up a new view for the site that you're going to be doing the split testing on. So I've got my site here, and you've got this option here called View. And I recommend you make a new view for your split testing, because the reason being is that Google Analytics only allows you to do 12 split tests per view. So if you start doing lots of split testing, you'll need to have various views to store them in. So I recommend you start by creating a new view, and I've created a new view here called split testing, and I've put the date on it. Okay, so do that first, and then go into Google AdSense linking. And this allows us to link our AdSense to our analytics. So you can see I've got my site here, and you can see I've also got this split testing view ticked. So this then links our AdSense account to this split testing view. So you're going to need to do that first. And you're going to have to also get a code snippet here, which is to be pasted into your theme. Okay, so and I'll show you on the next stage how you can include this code into the theme, so then your AdSense is then linked to your Google Analytics. So here I am in the options for the theme I'm using, which is Ultimate Silostorm Pro. I'm under Appearance in the Silostorm options, and I'm just going to go into the MISC tab and scroll down to the head scripts box. Now the head scripts box, there's an equivalent for that in Heatmap Adaptive, and there's an equivalent for that in Heatmap Pro V5. Other themes may also have a head scripts box where you can paste JavaScript into the head of your theme. But if you don't, you can just go back to the bit of the video earlier where I helped you paste in a bit of code to make analytics work, and you can also put this bit of code in there too. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing the bit of code that links our analytics to our AdSense for that site. So I grab that bit of code from the analytics. I'm just going to paste it in here, and I've done that earlier. So there it is. And once you've pasted that in, then your analytics will be then linked to your AdSense for that site. Okay. So once you've done that, then you just need to save that, and then that bit of JavaScript will also appear in the head of your theme, ready to be linked up with your AdSense and your analytics.